Hello everyone, welcome to SMS College of Technology. Today we are going to learn Unit 1 Introduction to Object Oriented Programming using Java. In this video, we will understand the basic OOPS concept such as class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Let's get started. Next one, what is OOPS? In overview of OOPS, OOPS stands for Object-Oriented Programming System. It is a programming approach where software is designed using object instead of only function and logic. Each object represents a real-world entity and contain both the data and behavior. Object helps us write a program that are easy to understand, maintain, and reuse. Next, diagrammatical representation of OOPS. In OOPS, that is that is in traditional programming, we focus only on procedure and function. But in object-oriented programming, we focus on modeling real-world objects such as student, bank account. Each object contains a property and action. This makes large programs more structured and organized. Next one, class. What is class? A class is a blueprint or template for creating an object. It defines the properties, also called attributes, and behavior called methods. For example, a class called car may have attribute like color and speed and method like start and stop. The class itself do not represent a real object, but it defines how object should behave. Next one, a simply put, a class is a user-defined data type that group data and function together. It helps in organizing a code and improving a reusability. Next one, that is an object. Object is a instead of class. It represents a real world entity that occupy a memory and perform action. If the car is a class, then the specific car like a red BMW is an object. Objects interact with each other in an object-oriented programming. Next one, inheritance. In inheritance, allows one class to acquire the property and method of other class. The existing class is called a parent class and the new class is called a child class. Inheritance helps in code reuse and reducing the redundancy. For example, the vehicle class can be inherited by the car and bike class. Next one, polymorphism. In polymorphism, means one name many forms. It allows the same methods or operation to behave differently based on the object. For example, the method called draw may draw a circle, rectangle or triangle represents on an object used. Next one, abstraction. In abstraction, means hiding the unnecessary detailed and showing only essential information. It helps user focus on what an object does rather than how it do it. For example, when you drive a car, only one use the steering and pedals without knowing the internal engine working. Next one, encapsulation. In encapsulation means wrapping a data and methods together into a single unit. It protect data from unauthorized access and improve a security. In Java, encapsulation is achieved using a private variable and public methods. Next one, a question solved. How to solve the question means, let's think about this example. A car design drawing represents a detailed plan when the actual car represents a real object. Here, the design drawing represents a class and the actual car represents an object. This helps us understand a relationship between class and object. Next one, a mind map. In a mind map, summarizing all the OOPS concept we learned today. Thank you.